Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cook delicious egusi and ogbono soup. My name is Onyude. Welcome to my channel once again. So the meat has been cooking for a while. We are going to check on the meat. Okay, so look at our meat. I added the stock fish, okay, into it because it's very dry and hard. So yeah, look at our meat. Look at our meat, and I think it's properly cooked. We don't want it overcooked, so I'm going to take it out to avoid overcooking it. Then we will start the proper cooking of egusi and ogbono soup. And let me tell you this, my first video, I didn't know the voice is not recording. Something went wrong with it, so it's silent, but I want to continue with the cooking. Okay, I'll be writing everything a direction. Okay, bear with me. So I'm going to take the meat out, and then I will add the egusi and ogbono. Then I will add oil, then the egusi and ogbono. I'm letting the meat out. It's properly cooked, but I'm going to allow the stockfish inside. I'm not going to remove it. What? It's okay. Okay, look at the meat stock. Okay, I'm going to add some oil. Then I will let the oil cook for maybe 5 minutes. You do that, okay, to reduce the strong taste, the raw taste. So you let your oil cook, okay? So I'm gonna allow it to cook. Then by the time I come back, then I will put the star of our dish today, which is the egusi and ogbono. Today we are cooking egusi and ogbono soup, okay? And our meat, look at it. Yeah, it's properly cooked. So now I'm going to cover it and let it just simmer for a while. So right now I've got everything ready. The meat is ready. I've added oil in the pot. The bitter leaf was frozen. Now I've cooked it. I said I'm going to cook it, and I've done that, and I washed it. So you have to do that to avoid getting the bitter leaf, the bitter taste into your food. If you do that, you will not be able to eat the food, so it will be so bitter. So you have to wash it, especially if you are not the one that washed it, if you bought it from the stores. So now I have my blended pepper and the fresh pepper and the locust bean ogili. So the egusi was frozen when I introduced the food. What I did to defrost it is I just put it in a microwave for a minute. That is what you do if your egusi and ogbono is frozen. Put it in the microwave, then allow it to heat up for a minute or so, and it will be nice. Then I washed the dry fish. I deboned and washed it. You have to do that to remove the bones and the dirt, okay, the aged oil on it. Then we have our crayfish and the ozeza grounded peppercorn. So now I've introduced everything that is remaining. What is left is for me to start adding the ingredients. So look at our stock. We've added oil, as I said. Now I'm going to add the main ingredients. So I said I'm going to teach you something that is very important, and now is the time. When you are cooking egusi and ogbono, the first thing you add is egusi. If you make mistake and add ogbono before adding your egusi, or adding both together, what is going to do is that it will turn into lumps like a scrambled egg. So you add the egusi first. That is a tip, okay, for a successful egusi and ogbono recipe. So now I'm going to add the egusi. So make sure that the egusi is properly dissolved before adding ogbono. Okay, that is how to cook the egusi and ogbono soup. Okay, so now that I've dissolved it, the egusi is properly dissolved, I'm going to add ogbono now. Ogbono is the slimy, drawy nuts for soup. Time for ogbono. Ogbono is bigger in quantity. Egusi is bigger in quantity, I mean to say, not ogbono. Okay, so your egusi should be the main thing. So look at it, it's already drawing. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients. I'm going to add blended pepper and ogili, the coarse bean, yes, ozeza, peppercorn, yes, crayfish, mix everything properly like this. Look at our soup turning out well. Now I'm going to add more seasoning. Bouillon. You add and you taste, okay? I'm going to cover the pot and let our soup cook for at least 30 minutes because it is still raw. So look at the soup after some few minutes of cooking. This is Egusi and Ogbono. If you have not tried it before, please do watch the video and try it. It's very, very delicious. So now I'm going to add our fish. I did not forget. I add it almost at the end of the cooking so that you can chew on it, you can still find it. If not, it will split apart. So the soup is not properly cooked, so I'm going to cover it up again and let it cook. So by the time I come back again, it will be time for the vegetable. We are taking a look at our soup. Look at our soup. The egusi and ogbono is properly cooked now. So what I'm going to do, and I like this consistency, I don't want it too thick. So what I'm going to do now is to add the vegetable before the meat. Again, you have to taste the seasoning. I've tasted it and it's perfectly seasoned. So I'm adding the bitter leaf, properly washed bitter leaf. Mix everything properly. So look at our beautiful soup. So I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for a while before adding the meat. Can you see our delicious soup? Egusi and Ogbono soup. Now I'm going to add the meat. Look at it. Beautiful, rich, delicious. So now we are coming to the end of our video. Please subscribe, share this video, comment, and God bless you. I'm going to cover this pot and let our soup simmer for a while. Then we will plate the food. So now I'm going to off the stove and then we dish it. So I'm gonna dish our food now. So can you see our soup today? Today we made Egusi and Ogbono soup. It's delicious. It's a Nigerian soup recipe, Igbo soup recipe. Okay, it's delicious, it's yummy, it's inviting, it's nutritious. We are coming to the end of our video. Please share this video, comment, like it. Okay, share it so that people will see it. Can you see how delicious it looks? Share this video, comment, and I will be seeing you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.